Protect your DNA. BioPQQ can promote formation of new mitochondria. Infowarsstore.com.
Good afternoon.
This is Attorney Jared Beck representing the DNC class action lawsuit in the Southern District of Florida. This is a class action lawsuit. It's a fraud lawsuit against the DNC and Debbie Wasserman Schultz, and a big announcement was made in this video.
The plaintiff's entire legal team, I want to acknowledge and express our deep gratitude to all of you who have offered your concerns, prayers, and support in the wake of recent disturbing events. After much consideration and deliberation, we have concluded that it is time to bring these concerns to the court's attention. As such, today, we filed a motion asking Judge Williams Locke to issue an order providing for the protection of the plaintiffs and their counsel and families, as well as all potential witnesses in the DNC fraud lawsuit. In support of this motion, we have cited the following events: the untimely death of our process server, Sean Lucas, the unsolved murder of DNC employee Seth Rich. We believe Mr. Rich might have been a potential witness in this case. We've also cited the recent untimely death of federal prosecutor Barrington Wiseman in South Florida, recent bizarre and disturbing conduct, including threats that has been directed at plaintiffs, their counsel, and employees.
Ladies and gentlemen, why isn't this the biggest story in the world right now? Where are the Democrats? Where is the media? They want to cry about Trump colluding and rigging the election all day long. The DNC is literally being sued. Debbie Wasserman Schultz, who's disgraced already, is literally being sued. They're literally caught red-handed. And now the DNC has motioned the judge handling the lawsuit give their witnesses protection and cited Seth Rich, Sean Lucas, and I forget the guy's name, Wisenhut Jr. in Florida. This is bombshell. This is literal devastation to the Democrats, and it gets completely ignored. Please share that video, folks. Just watching that, I'm literally sweating now. Because here's why. Democrat representative, very strong case for obstruction of justice against Trump. You've got Good Morning America. What is obstruction of justice and how it could apply to Trump? Stephen Colbert celebrates the obstruction of justice investigation into Trump. All of this going on. Meanwhile, 3 members of Mueller's team that's investigating Trump are huge Democrat donors to Obama and Clinton. Okay? And then you've got this story published again by The Telegraph, shared by Yahoo. Donald Trump latest approval ratings and impeachment odds, talking about impeachment, saying he's going to get impeached. This is nuts. 64% chance they say he gets impeached. 44% chance he finishes his first term. Meanwhile, literally the DNC has been sued for rigging an election. Literally, the DNC is asking for their witnesses to be, the attorney is asking for the witnesses to be protected because there have been 3 major deaths in the last 12 months revolving around this case. This, honestly, every American's blood should be boiling with this story. Every American's blood should already be boiling that our government would waste so much time and money investigating into phony stories about Trump and Russia. But then they should be just as fired up that there's actually a real story going on that gets no coverage. So here Trump takes to Twitter. I have retweeted this 100 times. I'm never going to stop retweeting this until I die, probably. They made up a phony collusion with the Russian story, found 0 proof, so now they go for obstruction of justice on the phony story. Bingo, folks. They're going to try to indict Donald Trump for obstruction of justice for a case that didn't even exist. Have you ever heard of such madness? This is literally Soviet communist. This is unbelievable. And he's been all over Twitter dealing with this stuff. It's just unbelievable. So now you have the left not only going, they're going full terrorist now too.
Check out these amazing deals at InfoWarsStore.com. 25% off BioTrue Selenium, a powerful antioxidant and back in stock Super Blue fluoride-free toothpaste. Now 33% off. And while you're there, check out the Total Oral Care Pack, which combines our organic mouthwash with the amazing Super Blue toothpaste. Now 37% off. All available right now at InfoWarsStore.com.